Okay, YouTube followers, back to the RM465. So since my first update, I've worked out it's a 1981, not a 1982. The reason being, it's got a 5-speed gearbox and a round carby, not a flat side. Since I've given it a clean, exhaust pipe was a bit rusty, so I've just given it oil down. Looks like it's had some sort of boost bottle fitted, and that goes down into the intake manifold. Gave the carby a clean and found an idle screw out of just bits and pieces. Lucky the thread was the same, so that'll keep it idling. And still got all the original hoses, so it hasn't been worked too much. I've cleaned up the swing arm, the alloy on the wheels didn't come up too bad after a bit of auto sole. The front ones, the spokes, they won't come up any good, they'll have to be replaced or have covers put on. I've had a look at the plastics, I've given that a bit of a scrape and it's got a nice yellow guard underneath, so finished that one day. Exhaust pipe I've just straightened a bit so it's not pointing in towards the guard and melting it. Gave the chain and oil, pull the sticker off. Found an old Suzuki bump for the handlebars, so I put that on. So I just checked all the brakes. The only thing I still have to do is take the side cover off. The clutch is stuck together, so I can't change gears. So I've taken all the air cleaners out. They fell to bits in my hand, so I've just cut some foam up and put them in temporarily while the other ones I've ordered have come in. So as part of the mod for the boost bottle on the other side, the suspension has been modified and set there for the reserve bottle. So as you can see, everything's all there. The bump stops on the suspension still look pretty good up underneath. So everything's gonna come up pretty good. Once I pull it apart, clean it, I've got to get another seat cover. Throttle works now. Put the only thing I don't know about is if this kill switch is going to work. I can wind the throttle back down. Alright, so I'll put my phone down and see if we can get it started for the first time. Turn the fuel on. Might have to give it a bit of a hand. run just depends. A lot of smoke. Turn that off. So I don't know, sounds like it needs a top end or something. Sounds a bit rattly. It could even have a blow and seal by the amount of smoke that was going out the back. Won't really know till I give it a ride though, and have to fix the clutch on it first. You know, at least it's come alive. And by the looks of that, it must have a lot of oil built up, or the airflow fuel mixture over there must be set right up when it's too rich. I'll check the plugs and all that, but yeah, at least it's running. Thanks for watching again. 1981 RM465.